Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make all natural homemade cough syrup which has no side effects and no preservatives. So let's get started. So this is all you're gonna need: honey, ginger, lemon, basil and turmeric, and one more secret ingredient that I'll reveal in the end. I like to make this syrup in very small portions, just enough for one time use, and if I need it again, I'll repeat the entire process again. So I'll show you exactly what I do and how much do I make. So let's get started. First, I'll pour some honey in a bowl. Honey helps to dry up the cough from the chest, and it also has pain-killing properties. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, whose antiseptic properties help fight viruses. Now comes lemon, which is loaded with vitamin C. To this, I'll add a little bit of ginger and basil juice. To extract the juice, I find it easier to use my mortar and pestle to crush it and squeeze the juice out of it. Ginger and basil contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that kills bacteria and helps relieve the cough. So I think I added a little less honey, so I'm just going to top it up a little, give it a good mix, and now time for my secret ingredient, and it is brandy. Yeah, you heard it right. It keeps the chest warm and reduces the buildup of cough. So that's it guys, homemade cough syrup is ready. Mix it well and give it to your baby around 4 to 5 ml a couple of times a day. And yes, please do not give it to a child under 12 months of age, as honey under 12 months of age is not recommended. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel guys. It will really make my day. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.